Hello, I'm going to show you the new version in early release for patrons of CEB SD Diffusion 1.1, and on this version you got a really fast process to create the images. So after installing all the VM options and adding the import model, I'm using the 1.5 CEB Diffusion here. To work, you have to first press Start SD, so a window will pop up, and wait a little bit so it starts the engine. With the information press the button Load Model, you can press here Load Model and wait for it to load it. When this information shows up, and you can see that the button is not blue anymore. Now you can run the prompts that you want. So a simple prompt. Sometimes it misses, so you have to press Load Model again. I can see that for some reason it was unloaded from the memory. Now it's loaded. I can try again. On the first execution it takes a bit longer, but after the first execution it usually takes 3 seconds on this machine, which has a RTX 3090. So if I press random to generate another one, you can see it's done, and it's done. I can test like rocks with moss texture. Let me add the texture and run it again. And in this version you also have some other interesting options, like the create seamless image. Pressing create seamless image, you will have the seamless happening on both directions, Y and X. And let me run it. I'll keep the same seed, so I'm pressing run prompt. Here you can test if it really seamless. Let me add a shader editor. Let me put a plane. It will be easier to see. And add a material. And I'm gonna grab this. I think it's this one. Yep. So I can scale down, and you can see, oh, it's not this one. It's 02. I got the 01. You can see the difference. This one is seamless. The previous one wasn't. And you can create seams only on the X axis. Let me run it again. And let me get the third. It is this one. You see, you have the seam only on the X axis. On this part you see that there is a seam. Let me put the Y so it should be seamless on this orientation. And you can see it's seamless on the Y orientation and not on the X orientation. But that's it for now. Hope to add more features soon, and I'll be sharing these kinds of version are only available for patrons, and to the ones that already support us, thanks a lot. See you next time.